How to log into Keybank mobile app. To log into Keybank mobile app, you need to install the app. Head over to your respective app store. On the search bar, type in Keybank and install the app to the latest version. After completely installing the app, you then need to go ahead and click onto the sign on button. As you click on the sign on button, you will be prompted to the page where you need to go ahead and use your user ID and your password associated with your uh, Keybank mobile app. Now that you've typed in the following information, click on sign on once again and you should be logged into your account successfully. However, if you're using any sort of VPN or extension, that might cause an issue. So you might wanna make sure to disable that first thing first while trying to log in. So this way you should be logged into your Keybank mobile app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.